Dear students, today I am going to teach you mathematics book, and our today's topic is money stories in real life situation. That means we also suffering from this type of situation in our daily life, so we have to learn about this situations with the help of this exercise. And before this, in the previous video I taught you about money, what is money, what is the use of money, and different types of coins, notes, and how to how can we write rupees and paise, and how can we count money. So we always count money, we didn't measure money. Okay, money can be measured, but it has a value. Okay, so let's begin. Money stories in real life. Soumya bought a pizza for rupees 70. She also bought popcorn for 25. Okay, Soumya bought a pizza for rupees 20 and she bought a popcorn also for 25 rupees. Then how much did she pay for both? Okay, how much did she pay for both? That means what we have to do now, the cost of pizza and cost of popcorn we have to add, then we get the total amount that we pay. So 70 plus 25, 70 plus rupees 25, then we add it 5 and 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. So how much money she pay for both pizza and popcorn? 95. Now second question. A chocolate cost rupees 18, but I have only rupees 15. Okay, suppose in your colony a ice cream vendor will come and you want to eat an ice cream. Then what you have to do, if the cost of an ice cream is rupees 18, but you have only 15 rupees, then how much more money do you need to pay for an ice cream? So what we need to do here, total cost of an ice cream is 18 and 15, you have only 15 rupees, then how much money you have need? So we subtract here, 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So we need 3 more to buy the chocolates. Okay, so you need 3 rupees 3 more to buy an ice cream. Likewise, I hope you all understand this one. Now you have to complete exercise 8b. Solve this real life money situation. Okay, this type of situation is also this type of situation will also come in your life. So read this. A drawing pad. Drawing pad means a pad which we can draw. So a drawing pad cost rupees 35 and a packet of crayon cost rupees 4 less. Then the drawing pad, what is the cost of the packet of crayons? So here is question telling that a drawing pad cost is rupees 35. Okay, rupees 35. So we put here 35. Now, and a packet of crayon cost rupees 4 less than the drawing pad. So, we have to less here rupees 5. When we subtract, then we get the cost of a crayon packet. So, 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 3 is down here 31. That means the cost of crayon is 31. Likewise, second number question. Rashi had rupees 8. Okay, how can we read this? Rashi had rupees 8. Her sister had rupees 6 more than her. Okay, Rashi had rupees 8 only, but her sister had rupees 6 more than her. Then how much amount is there with Rashi's sister? Here you have to find the amount of Rashi's sister. So Rashi has rupees 8 and her sister has 6 rupees more. So when we add these two numbers, then we get the answer that how much is there with Rashi's sister. So if we add, so here 14 rupees is there with Rashi's sister. Now Ritu had rupees 85 with her. Okay, Ritu had how much rupees? Rupees 85, and she spent 62 for buying return gifts. So how much money is left with her? Ritu had how much rupees? Rupees 85, and she spent how much rupees? 62. Suppose you have 100 rupees and you need a gift for your brother or sister, then of rupees 70. Then how much money if you give to shopkeeper 100 rupees and your things cost of your gift is 60? Then what will the shopkeeper return you? Yes, rest rupees. So here 85 minus 62. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. 23. Likewise, in number 4th, Sonia lunch box cost rupees 42 and her water bottle cost rupees 31. Okay, lunch box cost is 42. So first we write here 42. And bottle cost is 31. So which of two is cheaper and by how much? Which is cheaper? So by looking them, water bottle cost is cheaper. Cheaper means low. Okay, so which is cheaper? 31. So answer is 31. And which of the two is cheaper and by how much? So how much to know how much is how much money is more? So 42 minus 31. If we subtract, then we get the answer. So 2 minus 1 is equal to 1 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 11 rupees is cheaper. That means water bottle is cheaper than 11 rupees cheaper than lunch box. Now last question, number 5. Rohan got a rupees 10 note from his mother and rupees 20 note from his grandmother. So rupees 10 from his mother and rupees 20 from his grandmother. Now how much money did he get from both? How much money Rohan get from both? So we have to add it here. 30. Okay, so students, complete this exercise 8B. Thank you.